Hi everyone, this is Rubens Gardelli from Gardelli Specialty Coffee, and I'm here to present you the new arrival. It's called El Mango. El Mango, it's a little farm of 3 hectares in Peru, and finally we have the new freshly arrived Peru, which I always love. Every year you find in our collection a Peru lot washed. And this El Mango farm is owned by Daniel Chilcon and is helped by his son Roger Chilcon. He has been managing the picking and the fermentation and the drying of the cherries. So this beautiful farm is above 1900 meters above sea level, and this high altitude give this beautiful citric acidity to the cup, along with the variety they grow, which is red and yellow Catuai and the Paches. And so this is what I define a very good representation of a classic Central America washed, and that's in fact why I bought it, because on the cupping table, when it was time to select the new Peruvian lot, because I said I always have one Peru washed in my list, of available coffees. This one was standing out because its cleanliness and really bright acidity, but it has also some hints of fruitiness, like reminds apple, and is super balanced, very sweet, honey-like sweetness. And this has been achieved thanks to the fermentation that Roger, after picking the cherries, this is not uncommon in the area. However, he picked the cherries and leave in a plastic bag for one entire day, more or less 1 day. And then after that, they pulp it and leave it fermented, depending on the weather condition, for 1 or 2 days. After that, they put it in a raised bed over on a parabolic dry, which is again classic in the area, and resting and drying for around 15 days. Okay, so I hope you are going to enjoy it, this beautiful cup. Please go online, and if you want to check my suggestion for brewing this beautiful coffee, you will find on the product page on our website my suggestion for V60 style or flatbed style brewing recipe suggestions. I hope you're going to enjoy this beautiful cup of coffee as much as I did, and see you next time. Bye.